Hey traders, it's 24 minutes past 2 p.m. here in Brisbane on Tuesday, the 9th of January. So, first of all, Happy New Year to everybody. Hope you had a wonderful break. I sure enjoyed the time off, and I am ready, pumped, and psyched to get back into the ring. And my first fight is going to be hopefully with the Russell. So, let me take you through my fight plan over here. So what I've got here is the daily chart, and as we can see on the daily, we are in an uptrend and simply pulling back. Now let's go through this pullback and through the level and what I like about this one. And for that, I need to go over to the weekly. So if I zoom out a bit, we can see that the weekly was stuck in a range. But there was a level here, that blue line of mine. You can see from here, lower high and another lower high. With this latest move, we burst straight into a higher high. We cleared that level and we also cleared this previous spike. So I like this very strong move that we're seeing here. It is a strong push by the buyers, and this is really the first pullback after that move. The other thing that I love about this one, and for this we need to take the cursor details. If we'll take a look at the ultimate low of this sideways action, we can see that the low here was 1630.4, and we came ever so close to it, but we haven't broken that low. So effectively trading a little bit higher than that ultimate low, so at 32.2. So I like the fact that from here we actually made a slight higher low and we burst into this higher high. So all of that plays toward that bullish sentiment. So let's drill down the time frame and what I'm looking for. So the area that I'm looking for is around the green line. So this is my offense line. I like the fact that this rejection that happened here, we've got a rejection to the low and a rejection to the high, and it's very close to that previous high, which was also tested over here. So a lot of elements around that green line. We can also see it was a touch here on the way up. The other thing that I like about this is the fact that we burst into a higher high. So we had a strong bullish move that cleared those levels, that cleared those spikes. So what I'm looking for is a pullback into this level, either as a test from above or for the market to come back a little bit in and take it on the way out. It all depends on how the market starts the trading day. Clearly, there's not a lot of activity during Asia session on this market. Now, as for my points win and my knockout, so the first one, the points win, I'm going to go rather close, and that's going to be just under the round number of 2000. So that is my purple line. Then for the knockout, I'm going to go all the way to this pink line. Now, the reason for it, I'm not too worried about this level. We might see some retracement from that level, but if we'll take a look back onto the daily, once we clear that area, we can see we tested it, pulled back, pushed above this, and then tested it from above, pushed into it. So there was a lot of activity already around that. So I think that this one, if the bullish move will continue, could see the market coming up into that breakout level. So if we'll take a look at the 4 hours, we can see that we consolidated around here, rejection, 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 and a strong bearish candle going through that. So I want to be before that level, so in and around the 2050 area. So to summarize, I am looking for my first fight of the year to be with the Russell. My offense line is going to be around this 92.72 area, the green line, and my points win just shy of the 2000 area, and the knockout level just shy of that 2050 area. As always, I am going to move my defense line to protect the ground that I've already covered in the ring. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.